Here we have a bidet for cleaning yourself after you use the toilet. Some models don't use a separate hose, but they are directly integrated here into the ceramic portion of the toilet. And in that case, you can use both of your hands. You don't have to hold with one hand the hose. The length is around a meter. After you used it, you can connect it there. It is a hook. It is connected to the cold water line. In this case, you cannot control the temperature of the water, but only the quantity of the water. In colder countries, you cannot use the cold water because it will be simply too cold. But in warmer countries, the temperature is lukewarm, so you can use the cold water. You can use it from below, that is, you can sit on the hose so that it will not move. You can use it from the front, you can use it from behind, and you can use it from above, so your leg will be down there, and in that case from the front. And you can wash yourself. With your other hand you must shut off the water, and after you finished cleaning you don't use the paper to dry yourself but a towel, a smaller one, not a too large one. Let's show it also. I have to fix it somehow, so I will insert it there and release the water. This is cold water at full pressure, so don't give it too much pressure. Something like that is enough, because if you release the water all the way it will splash outside, as you can see. So don't use a too high pressure. Plus, after you've finished cleaning yourself, let it drip out a little bit, flush the water so that the cleaning water will be eliminated from the toilet also. So that's the bidet, just a tap, a sprayer at the end, a flexible hose, an attachment, and that's it. Bidet for cleaning at the toilet.